आज इस वीडियो में हम आखान यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड क्लास 10th मैथ्स पेपर 1 2010 सॉल्व करेंगे. सो लेट्स क्विकली कम टू आवर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. So here we have our question number 1 and 2. Let's try to solve these questions. The square of the natural number n. So let's say this is n square is equal to 4 times the previous number. So 4 times the previous number means that previous number will be equals to n minus 1. If n is the natural number, its previous number will be n minus 1. So which of the following correctly describe the situation? So let's simplify this quadratic equation. N square equals to 4n minus 1. So n square, sorry, n 4n minus 4. So n square minus 4n plus 4 is equal to 0. So option D is the right answer. Then we have question number 2. The solution set of these equation 2x minus 3y is equals to minus 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. So we have these two equations. So from these equations, as we can see that these are the parallel lines in which the coefficients of x and y are same. So this type of line is the parallel line. So for parallel line, there is no solution. So the correct answer is option A, empty set. Then we have next question, that is question number 3 and 4. Akbar bought 1 liter milk and 1 dozen egg. The price of 1 liter milk is 50 rupees. So he has bought 1 liter of milk plus 1 dozen of eggs. And the cost, we know the cost of one milk is 50. He has paid total of 122 rupees. So total is 122 and we have to find the price of one egg. So 1 dozen egg is equal to 122 minus the price of milk, that is 50, and 1 dozen means 12 eggs. So one egg, to find the value of one egg, we will divide the cost by 12. So the price of one egg will be equals to 122 minus 50 over 12. So 122 minus 50 and divided by 12. So the answer is 6. So the cost of one egg is rupees 6. Then we have question number 4. We have to solve this equation. So square root of 1 minus x will be equals to minus 1. Taking square on both sides, the square and root will be cancelled out. So 1 minus x is equals to plus 1, and this plus 1 and plus 1 will be cancelled out. So minus x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0. So if we put this x is equals to 0 in this radical equation to verify 1 plus 1 minus 0 equals to 0. So 1 plus square root 1 equals to 0 and 1 plus 1 equals to 0. So this x equals to 0 does not satisfy the radical equation. So it's mean our correct answer will be option B, that is empty set. Then we have question number 5, in which we have to find the value of a square such that a is a raw matrix. So a square means a multiplied by a, that is equals to 1 2 multiplied by 1 2. So the order of this matrix is 1 row and 2 column and 1 row and 2 column. So these are not equal. It's mean their multiplication is not possible. So this product does not exist. So the correct answer of this question is option D. Let's see question number 6. We have to, if r is this matrix multiplied by r is equals to this, we have to find the order of the matrix r. So the order of first matrix is 2 by 2. Then we have our matrix that is r. Let's say its order is m by n, and we have multiplied these matrix is equal to a matrix of which order is 2 by 1. So for their product, for their multiplication, these two should be same so that multiplication is possible. So it's mean m is equal to 2. Number of rows is are 2. And this is the order of the resultant matrix. So as we can see that for in this equation the value of n comes out to be 1. So the order of this matrix should be 2 by 1. Option A is the right answer. Then we have question number 7. We have to find the multiplicative inverse that is equal to adjoint of this matrix divided by its determinant. Its adjoint will be equals to minus 1 and 0, 0. And determinant would be equals to we will multiply these cross elements and with these diagonal elements. So 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So the same matrix is the inverse of itself. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 8 and 9. The multiplicative inverse of this matrix does not exist. So does not exist means that this is a singular matrix. For singular matrix, the multiplicative inverse does not exist, and singular matrix means that its determinant is equal to 0. So its determinant will be x square should be equals to 0 and x is equals to 0. So for the values of x equals to 0, it's this matrix comes out to be a singular matrix. So option D is the right answer. Then let's see question number 10. We have to find the value of x. Ax is equals to bx. And for finding the value of x, let's make this term to the right side, left side of the equation, ax minus bx is equal to 0. If we take x common, sorry, we have equation as a plus x is equal to bx. So a will be equals to bx minus x, and we will take x common. We will get b minus 1, and b minus 1 will be divided on the left hand side. So a over b minus 1 is equal to x. So the correct answer is option D. Then let's come to question number 11. Here we have our question number 16. For an assignment, Farzana has to solve 3 questions of algebra, 7 of geometry, and 2 of trigonometry. So, algebra, 3 questions of algebra, 7 questions of geometry, and 2 questions of trigonometry. The central angle represented by the algebra work in her pi graph is. So we know that the total angle, central angle is 360 degrees, and we have to convert this 3 into the angular measurement. The total number of questions are 7 plus 3, 10, and 12. So for algebra, the central angle would be equals to 3 over 12 multiplied by 360. So 3 1 is 3 and 3 4s are 12. 4 1 is 4 and 4 nines are 36. So the correct answer for the angular measurement of algebra is 90 degrees. So option B is the right answer. Let's come to the question number 15. The algebraic mean of two numbers is A and the arithmetic mean of three numbers is B. We have to find the arithmetic mean of five numbers. Let's say those numbers are x1, x2. The sum of two numbers is equals to A, and arithmetic mean of three other numbers, let's say these are x3, x4 and x5, is equal to B. We have to find the arithmetic mean of these five numbers. So from this, x1 plus x2 will be equals to A, and x3, sorry, 2A, and x3 plus x4 plus x5 will be equals to 3b. So the arithmetic mean of these five numbers, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by 5 would be equals to 2a plus 3b divided by 5. So 2a plus 3b divided by 5, option A is the right answer. Then let's come to question number 18. The following table gives information about the number of passengers and the fare paid by them on a certain day. Based on the information, we have to find the median fare. Then we have question number 20, and we have to find the value of x in this question. So from this triangle, if this is 50 and 30, that is 80. So this angle would be equals to 100, and this angle will also be equals to 100. And this 120 makes 120, so that this angle will be 60 degrees, and this angle x would be equals to 120 degree. So correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 21. In the given figure, AB, AE, AD, and BC and DE are the tangents to the circle. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 tangents in the given circle. Then the given circle is circumcircle of ADE, triangle ADE. Triangle AD is the larger triangle, and circumcircle always circumcircle is the circle that is outside the triangle. And in second option, one of the scribe circle of ABC, A, B and C. So A, B, C का एक स्क्राइब सर्कल मौजूद है या ई सर्कल मौजूद है हमारे पास. स्क्राइब सर्कल वो सर्कल कहलाता है जो कि ट्राइंगल की किसी एक साइड से टेंजेंट फॉर्म करे. सो दिस कंडीशन इज ट्रू. इंस्क्राइब सर्कल ऑफ ADE. So ADE के अंदर सर्कल मौजूद है. So this is inscribed circle. So condition 2 and 3 are correct. Option A is the right answer. Let's come to question number 22 and 3. Some small spheres of different diameters are fitted between two rings of the diameter 20 and 40. The maximum diameter of any of these spheres could be equals to what? So the maximum diameter of the largest sphere will be the difference of this side. So the diameter of the smaller circle is 14 centimeter. This is 14. And the diameter of the larger circle is equal to 20 centimeter. So the difference of these two diameters will make the diameter or the difference of this side. So the correct answer would be 20 minus 14 equals to 6 centimeters. So option B is the right answer. In the following figure, B and BD are the tangent to the circle, and we have to find the angle BAC. This is the angle we have to find. We know that tangents are always equal. These two tangents are equal. This means that the angle opposite to them are also equal. If this is 70, so remaining is 110, that is divided in A and C. So this would be 55 and 55. So option C is the right answer. Then we have question number 24 and 5. In this figure, radius OA of the circle is. So we know that this is 90, and let's find out the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle. Let's say this is B. So AB will be equals to 1 square plus 1 square, that is square root 2, and the diameter divided by 2 will be equals to radius. Root 2 divided by 2, that is equals to 1 over root 2. So the correct answer is option B. In 25, we have to find the value of y. If these two lines are parallel, it means this complete angle would be equals to this complete angle that are corresponding angles. So y plus 32 will be equals to 58 degrees, and y will be equals to 58 minus 32. So 58 minus 2 is 56, and further let's minus 58 and 32. 8 minus 6, 2 is 6, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So 26 is the right answer. In the given triangle, D, G, and H are the midpoints of the triangle, and AC, and BC respectively. Then EF is equal to what? So in this triangle, D, G, and F. D, G, and F are the midpoints and of AB, AC, and BC. So we have to identify that what is this line EF represents. So as we can see that these two are perpendicular bisector because the sides are equal. The sides are equal, and this makes 90 degrees. So this means that this line would be extended to make a perpendicular bisector, and these bisectors meet at one point. It means this EF is also the right bisector of BC. So option D is the right answer. Then we have question number 27, and we have to find the length AB that will be equal to square root of 2 square minus 1 square by Pythagoras theorem. So 4 minus 1 will be equals to square root 3. So the correct answer is option C. Then we have question number 28. In a right angle triangle, sine theta is equals to 1 over root 2. So the value of theta when sine is 1 over root 2 such that theta equals to 45. So sine 90 minus theta will be equals to sine 90 minus 45. So it will be equals to sine 45. And this is also equals to 1 over root 2. So option B is the right answer. Then we have question number 29. The following figure, the angle of elevation of man to the bird. The angle of elevation from of a man to the bird is 30 degrees. Let's say this is 30. The angle of depression of bird to the fish is 65 degrees. So the angle of depression, this is 65 degree. So we have to find the angle M, B, and F. So we have to find only this angle. So as we know that these line will be parallel to each other in this 30. So this angle will also be 30 degree because these are alternate angle. This complete angle was 65 degrees. So this only angle MBF will be equals to 35 degrees. So correct answer is option B. Then we have the last question, that is question number 30. If sine theta is equal to cos theta, we have to find the value of tangent theta. So we know that tangent theta itself is equals to sine theta over cos theta. And sine theta over cos theta, if these two are equal, so the ratio would be equals to 1. So the correct answer for the last question is option C.